My name is Michelle. I'm a representative of Mutual of Omaha, and this is my aha moment. I had met a friend a long time ago who talked to me about the insurance business and how rewarding it had been to them. And I got into the business, and I started finding out that I could help people, be with my family, and do the things that I really love. Ever since then, my life has been one big joy. It's fun, it's very involved, it's looking after people's lives, it's making sure children have a legacy. The wonderful thing about it is when the holidays roll around and the people come back to see me, or they pick up the phone and they call me to say hello and chit-chat and let me know how they're doing in their family. There's many roles to this business. I will be there for you. I am a people person. I am very much involved in my community, and I'm the kind of person that you would like to introduce to your friends and neighbors.